This goes to the pool.
Got it.
Now folks, once again, great to see so many people enjoying the Out of the Shed car show here, all thanks to the Wodonga District Car Club.
It's yours, right?
Now, of course, there's lots of exhibitions and trade stalls inside the exhibition centre. We've got plenty of merchandise in there too. The idea is for all cars to stay where they are. I notice a couple of trying to head on, they'll find the gates are locked. So the cars need to stay inside and static for the entire duration, if that's okay. Appreciate your support with that. We understand some people have to head off, so that's great. Don't empty your cars, you come and show, you don't want to stay for the day. We appreciate it, there's plenty of people around with kids too. We want to make sure that everyone is safe whilst they are here today. There's lots of food. People are looking for food, like plenty of food available here. Barbecue, cans of drink, we've got a great range of Dutch pancakes as well too, we've got a lemonade stand, we've got cool ice cream as well.
Joining the circle work comp?
Yeah, he's in there.
Nathan's Pontiac, right next to Bruno's sled. That looks alright. How much is that, mate?
Fucking an arm and a leg, 25 bucks.
What?
Yeah, I told ya.
Fuck that.
I'm too hungry.
Yeah. That's what they're relying on, I think. Mate, this is nice. This... What is this?
It's a 53 Mercury, but it's got a few different years chopped and welded in. And
This is stunning, mate. Fuck yeah. Oh, that's giving the 57 Chevy a run for its money, style-wise. I like this. I don't know if I've ever seen one before. Are they kind of rare?
in Australia, yeah. Has a hard top.
Yeah. Fuck. Slow fall leader. I don't believe it. Zoe pad.
I can head home like that. Yeah, alright.
That brakes are so because now, like at the moment, it's real quiet. We can hear exactly noise, like the engine run. That's all.
Well folks, I hope you're enjoying yourselves here today at the Wodonga District Car Club out of the shed for 2025. Lots of great demonstrations we've got happening for you. Inside,
better keep you happy, Johnny.
An amazing trailer,
there you go.
big one trailer setup, so you can go and check that out. That is Nico Matthews has set up inside there. We've got a pretty cool trailer. The judges are now judging and they're getting complete with their judging. Thanks very much, bro. So if your vehicle is up for judging, just make sure your bonnet is up. The judges are going around as we speak, continuing on with their judging panel. We'll have the presentations for you after lunch, so whilst you're waiting for that, and the judges are deliberating on the different styles of vehicles in all the different categories. Make sure you grab some lunch. We've got Black Barrel Barbecue, we've also got a great range of Dutch pancakes as well. So some great lunch options for you. Some cool refreshments, get some ice cream, grab yourself a coffee, grab yourself a freshly made lemonade as well too. So support our vendors that are here to look after you for lunch today. And as soon as lunch is over, we will do our award presentations and then we'll finish up here today about 2:30. So not too long to go this afternoon. Hope you're enjoying yourself for the second of our
these are the guys that we need to bribe.
These two, not
These two. What do they drink?
So to another one in 2027. Thank you for everyone who's